Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a crispy and delicious Nigerian treat called Yamarita. If you love yam and you love crunch coatings, this recipe is for you. Let's get started. First, peel your yam and cut into rectangular pieces about the size of thick wedges. Once that is done, you're going to rinse the yam. Add the yam into a pot, add some water and sugar. You will need a lot of sugar for this, then a little bit of salt. Boil the yam for 5 minutes until it is soft but not too mushy. Then drain and set aside. Now let's prepare the coating. In a bowl, pour in some flour. You can season this with garlic powder, onion powder, but it's completely optional. In another bowl, you're going to crack in eggs and whisk. It's time to coat. Take a piece of yam, dip it in the flour mixture, then in the egg, and back into the flour for that perfect crunch. Please make sure that all parts are well coated. You're going to repeat this process for all pieces of yam. Heat up some vegetable oil in a pan on medium heat. Once hot, gently drop in the coated yam pieces and fry until golden brown, flipping halfway through. Once crispy and golden, remove and place on a paper towel or colander to drain excess oil. And there you have it, crispy, flavorful Yamarita, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or as a snack. Serve this with your favorite sauce and enjoy. I served mine with this perfect smoked mackerel sauce. If you would like to see a video of the sauce, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing Nigerian dishes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking. Bye.